Nowadays, businesses have too many SKUs with associated engineering documents, compliance documentation, spec sheets, PDFs, sales and marketing collateral, PowerPoints. And that's just internal product content. When you add external content sources, like customer reviews and third-party sites, it becomes impossible for anyone to make sense of it all. Internal teams spend precious hours collecting, categorizing, amending, and removing data when they could be spending that time on revenue-generating activities. This translates into a poor experience for both customers and corporate buyers who are looking for products and content to fit their specific needs, but are unable to identify whether the products they are looking at satisfy those requirements. Zoovu eliminates this frustration on both ends by automating product content management. It saves businesses big on operating costs, reduces the complexity of managing, organizing, and connecting product information, making the content discovery experience itself less of a time sink and more of a time saver. Through our automated process, all your technical documentation is collected and translated into everyday language customers use, enabling intuitive experiences to be built via assistants, configurators, chat, search, and more. The results speak for themselves, with teams able to manage a growing content library more easily, creating experiences at scale with the ability to syndicate them to partner sites all over the internet, giving brands greater reach, increased revenue, and lower operational costs. By giving people the right information to make the right decisions in real time, businesses are set up for success and customers find exactly what they need in a fraction of the time. Customer interactions at every endpoint fuel the recommendation engine to make your experiences smarter and improve performance on a continual basis. The results are higher AOV, fewer returns, and greater levels of engagement and conversion. Zoovu gets it.